Hello everyone. Quickly, let us move straight to the 6 by 6 matrix of the Huckel's molecular orbital theory. Quickly, let us go. Now, if you have not watched my previous video, do well to watch it and understand how it is done, right? So you can understand how simple this one will also be. So let us go. Of course, the first one is to say alpha minus E. You write your beta here. You write your non-neighbor. This is the diagonal, the off diagonal, and the neighbor, the off neighbor rather. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same thing also happen here. Here is beta. Here is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by 6. So how do we build this? You take it to be diagonal, right? So what do you do here? You come here. Now, what I want to do here is this. I will assume that my alpha minus E is equal to X. So I can erase this one here now and put X here. So here will be X. Because let me build it in such a way that you can understand it. So that you can understand it. I think this format will be okay for beginners who are finding it difficult to understand. So let's go diagonal. See now, it's easy. So here is X, 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 and X. Diagonal. Then the neighbor is beta. Take note. The neighbor is always beta. Of course, here too will also be neighbor, beta, 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 beta. That's good. Then all others here will just be taking 0 because there's no other thing again here. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That's just all. Finish. That's simple. It is. Right? Whereby if you want to now look for the matrix or the calculation of the energy, so to say, because what you do, you divide all through. You can divide all through by beta. Divide all through by, because everything will become beta raised to power 6. Because the carbon atom or the P on each of the carbon is 6. So that's how you just do it. So if you do it like this, what will happen? So we cannot rewrite it to be, we can replace this one here now, right? We can replace it here with this new variable. With this new variable, if you think it's rough, you can do it again, right? Then you can replace, here cannot be replaced with 1. Here 1, 1, 1, and 1. So here 2 will also be what now? 1. So if you extract everything out here, you will have the format you can use to calculate for it. But meanwhile, let me erase the board and do for you something. Please take note of it. Many times in exam, nobody actually has the time to tell you to do all this. What they simply tell you to do is to calculate for the energy. And the energy is simply for 4 and above. You can use the energy to calculate for it is simply equal to alpha plus 2 beta cos bracket k over pi over n plus 1. So the n here simply represents the number of carbon atom. So this is the formula we use to calculate for each of the energy level. Because we have in this case the bonding, the non-bonding, and the anti-bonding, which is the highest energy. And this is how it is done, and it is very, very well simplified. So do well to tell a friend, and you can also contact us for an online classes. Thank you and God bless you.